Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look into a quick comparison between Langchain versus N8n. So let's get started. So Langchain, it's actually a developer-centric framework or library for building applications that integrate with large language models, the LLMs. Okay, it has features for making chains, agents, or tool integrations and etc. And N8n here, actually it's a workflow automation tool with like a visual like interface. Usually you just do like drag and drop, basically low code. Okay, you can connect many services like APIs, apps, and all those things using N8n. Both these platforms actually can be used in workflows involving LLMs. For example, N8n has Langchain nodes, okay, or Langchain concept implementation, so you can embed Langchain logic inside the N8n workflows. Like both are open source, so you can try to like use both platforms. The major difference between these two are like the Langchain is actually code based, so you write your code in either like Python or JS, okay, and you have full control over logic, whereas N8n here you actually have visually or probably a low code workflow where you simply like need to drop drag and drops applications and APIs, so you build from there, so you can mix in code via functions and nodes. Mostly you can use N8n when you like to automate a task, or when you sync a data, or when you integrate many services, triggers based on events and things there in that case. Whereas Langchain here, you can use it when you're building AI agents or a chatbot. Okay, in that case, then you can try use Langchain here. If you want to automate like business workflows, like integrating services like for example like Slack, Google Sheets, all those things, like when you trigger some action and then you want certain things to be done, simple like decision logic, possibly like embedding some AI for content in, and also like rapid prototyping or proof of concept with minimal setup. In all those scenarios, use N8n. N8n would be an ideal option for you. Whereas if you want like build, as I mentioned earlier, a custom AI agent with memory, context, and tool use, which will evolve over time, and also you have like a production system where performance, scalability, and fine-tuning matters. In that case, then Langchain would be the best option for you compared to N8n. Hope this information video helps.